Okay, so the first thing that we will learn today, the overview of Microsoft Excel. Okay, so I think all of you know this place. This is called Workspace in the Excel, and the this thing is known as the ribbon, and this is tab. This is tab. So we have few different tabs: home, insert, page layout, formulas, data. Okay, all these are tab. Then next thing is that in one tab there are few groups. For example, if you see there's a separation and separation, the whole thing is known as font group. This thing is known as alignment group. This thing is known as number group and style group. And under group there are different command. So this is a font command, this is a font size, this is theme, this is so this individual thing is known as command. Okay, so these are the different command, and here you can see in some group, if you click in, you will see this sign in some group. If you click here, then we'll see this thing. So okay, so we can edit our data from here. Okay, if you click here you will see the same thing, and moreover there are some pop-up menu. You see, you can see the multiple options. So I'll come this point later in this course. Okay, so and here you can see uh, this sign, this is name box. I'll come to this point later. Name box, this is the formula bar, so where we'll write our formula. Okay, so and this is column, this is row, and intersection of column and rows is called cell. So we have more than 10 lakh rows and 16,000 column. Okay, moreover you can see this is sheet 1, this is sheet 2, this is sheet 3. So you can change sheet name by clicking the right side of your mouse, and then you can change the name. And this is for what? For going below and above, so we use it. And this is the different view, this is the different view, and this is the zoom.